guys, Tina here, the Critical Virgo. Welcome back to another Fragrance Fridays. So today I have something that's so special to me. It's like one of the first times that I've done an exchange with another female YouTuber. And I will show it to you in 1 second. But the story behind this is I was doing the PK Perfumes coverage for a while now. I still have a few more to review. I haven't forgotten about them. I'm just taking a little bit of a break because I miss my bottles. And it's like the amount of samples I have to go through are just like overwhelming. And I don't know, I'm like totally neglecting my collection. I digress. Let me get back into this. I covered Violet Chocolates here, and another female YouTuber reached out and said, oh my god, I love Violet fragrances, I have to check it out. And she had heard about it before from another fragrance reviewer, a male. So I said, let me send you what I have left. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. And then we like got to talking, and she had like this awesome idea to do an exchange. So I said, let's do it. And now I have this wonderful box here, all the way from the other coast. I did an exchange with Lola, and I'm excited to see what she sent me because she's got some good tastes. Let me tell you, I totally dig her pics. I love her channel. She's one of my favorite female reviewers. So before I dig into what's in this box, I just wanted to say something. So this whole YouTube thing has me like feeling some sort of way, and I feel like we should really support and embrace our local community and group. There's another female reviewer. She is not only a reviewer and an artist, but she is a jewelry designer. I'm gonna put a link to it down below. You guys have seen me wear some of her stuff before. And it is Kristin Beauty Meow. She works with pearls and they are fabulous. So I recently got this necklace. And this camera is totally not even doing it justice. I love it. And I also got these earrings. I really love them. She does some great work, and a lot of the pieces, like these beadwork pieces that she does, they're not like mass produced, so you don't have to worry about a lot of people having the same jewelry that you have. They're pretty freaking unique and I love them. So let's get into Lola's box. Ooh, all right. She sent me a lot of goodies in here actually. I should show you guys the inside. A lot of carded samples, some stuff that's rolled up. So I've never tried anything from Ducita. She sent me, oh my god, I'm not even gonna be able to try all these in one sitting. Izara, Le Sillage Blanc, and Oud Infini. And then she sent me some House of Matriarch Orca. That's really cool. As you guys know, I'm really trying to expand on that. And then we got another House of Matriarch. Which one is this? Belonging. I've been dying to try this one because when they posted it on one of the Facebook groups, and I was like, oh my gosh, that sounds amazing, count me in. But I couldn't afford it at the time, so I passed, and then like it came back for an encore and I passed on that one too, so I'm really excited to try that. Ooh, some Panna. I gotta take my glasses off for this one. Pink Champagne Truffle. Interesting. Okay, I haven't sprayed it, but just from that, it smells really good. I cannot wait. Nice gourmand right there. Luxury scent box. This is one that I do not subscribe to. I don't know why. I don't know why. I know a lot of you guys do. I've been like stuck on Scentbird for a while now, and I don't know why. I just haven't made the jump. I mean, it's really generous size, so. And I like the travel cases better. I think they look better. So she sent me Midnight Datura. Never smelled this. But wow, that smells really beautiful. Powdery. What else do we got over here? Oh Jesus. Some Samarco Vitrum, and then we got Bond Tea, Kerosene Follow, Solstice Scents Black Forest. I just gotta open this. I'm trying not to because I know I'm gonna make a mess. The Shane Passion Choco. Ooh. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Lola. Fleur Narcotic. And then there's more roll-ups. You are too much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, MFK a la Rose. Smelled it at the store. Never really gave it a full wearing though. Pure Mariposa, Ramon Monagal. Oh Jesus. LM Parfums, Sensual Orchid. And then we have these three. What's Sen's Unique Box? Is that like another subscription? Should I like know about this? Because it's like 3 different fragrances. It's not the company. I got Saint Juliet by Imaginary Authors. I actually smelled this one when I was with Carlos. And I gave it a wear. It was like the one that reminds me of Baccarat Rouge. We got Laboratorio Olfativa. Interesting. Gotta read up on that. Never heard of it. And Limonacea. Interesting. Smells like one of Steve's colognes he wears. You would probably really like that. He'll probably question me, so I gotta spray that one in front of him, or else he'll be like, something you want to tell me? What's going on? Oh, Montal Honey Oud. January. Vaporosindrome. Okay. We've got another ganache. Chocolate ganache. This is actually one, was this one of the ones that Delicious Delights covered that I really wanted to try? I think it was. That is tasty. I saw Goody Proctor with the Devil. $16.92. Oh my gosh, this was like, you know what's so funny? I was on this website and I had like 10 things in my cart and I really wanted to get them. But I was like, do I want to spend that much on shipping and everything right now? Maybe not at this moment, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is like awesome. Thank you, Lola. I definitely don't need to order any more samples for a while. I think I might take a break from some of the stuff that I have and I will totally just dig into these. I do want to finish up PK though. I don't have a lot left on that. I know I keep saying it, but I will totally be jumping into this within like the next week. And you guys know I need a whole lot of content coming at you, so we might do some daily stuff with all this again. I think we might be breaking Fragmas, but not Fragmas, to January. I don't know what we're gonna call it. If you have any creative ideas, you know I love those, put those down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, I didn't really like review anything. I just kind of showed you guys what I got. And I feel bad, so I think I'll put a review at the end of this. So I'll put some timestamps as I usually do. And yeah, comments down below. Give me some cute ideas as to what I can call the next month Be a lot of car vlogs, not vlogs, but car reviews coming up because Steve's out of town. And yeah, give me some cute names. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the review if you want to. If not, then thanks for watching anyway. Any amount of minutes you want to give me are always appreciated. Good morning, guys. So I know this light sucks, but it's where I'm parking and I don't feel like moving. I just wanted to try out this fragrance that I got from Lola. I was like really excited about this because this is the one that got us in this whole exchange thing. It's from Hannah London and it's pink champagne truffle. So it's a really cold day here. Oh, I can see all the little particles flying. Okay, so woo. It's, oh my god, it's like so chocolatey and it's sweet. It's like it's got this really amazing fruit in it. It's like a berry. It's raspberries, which I love. I love raspberries. Oh my god. And it's boozy. It's God, this is gorgeous. This is making me hungry. Also doesn't help that I haven't had breakfast yet because it's like, I got into work early. It's like 7 something. Oh my god, it's so tasty. It smells like candy. Well, I guess that's why they named it a truffle, a pink champagne truffle. It's not as sparkling as I would like. I wouldn't really associate like champagne with it. I would think of this as more like one of those Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli, however the hell you pronounce it. One of those chocolates with the raspberry filling on the inside. It's so pretty. Such a nice gourmand. Oh my god, if you love gourmands and you love like raspberry, then you'd probably really enjoy this one. Oh my goodness. I am totally digging this one. Thank you so much, Lola. I will check with you guys later. It is, it's gonna be hard for you to see it, but it's 7:57 now. I gotta head up into work. Hey guys, so it is 6:45 and it has been a really long day. So believe it or not, this fragrance is still here. I cannot believe it. I put it on at like 7:50 this morning and it was really bright and sparkly. You can totally smell the raspberry and chocolate when I first put it on. The champagne fizziness, it went away once it dried down. I didn't have it anymore, and for the rest of the day it remained pretty linear. I really got a lot of the raspberry and chocolate, and I still smell the chocolate. The raspberry, it's like really way in the back. It's not even there anymore. And the raspberry that I got in this is really interesting. It was like a like I said earlier, one of those Ghirardelli chocolates, but it's almost like a whipped up creamy raspberry. Like I picture that reddish purple pink color, but it's kind of creamy looking and really sweet. This smells like that, just covered in a melted combination of like milk and dark chocolate together. It's really beautiful. Unfortunately it's a pass for me just because, not that there's anything wrong with it, I just have so many chocolate fragrances, and this is, it's very similar to the dry down and some of the other fragrances I have. I'm really loving the raspberry in it. It's one of my favorite notes, so I'm so glad that Lola shared this with me because it's really beautiful, and I will wear this one a few more times. It's just that I can't justify personally spending money on it when the dry down's so similar chocolate wise to other things. But I will give them a lot of credit. The chocolate in this one really lasts, and that's something that I always look for in a chocolate fragrance, and it's so hard to find. I don't know what it is about fragrances like that, but for some reason chocolate seems to be like the first thing that just kind of disappears out of a fragrance. So I was really impressed. I totally enjoyed it, and it's definitely worth playing around with if you're in the market for something like that, and especially if you really like raspberry fragrances. Not even just chocolate, but raspberry fragrances. It's totally worth giving it a shot. It's a beautiful gourmand. It's not, when you first spray it on, it is a little stickingly sweet, but once it dries down, it's really nice. It's not like root canal sweet like Montal's chocolate greedy. That's a little over the top. Like, that can be a little annoying sometimes. Some of those Montal fragrances can, but this one is really nice. Did not ask anybody their opinions about it. Didn't really care today. Didn't get any unsolicited comments too. So it didn't really project a whole lot. It was pretty close to the skin, but I found myself reaching up for a sniff many times during the day. And it was really nice having it on my shirt too, because as my body heated up, I could smell it throughout the day. I did work out and I didn't shower, but it did stick around throughout my whole workout and after, so I'm really impressed. It's a little bit cool outside today. It was like in the 40s, so I can safely say that this is a great fragrance for those colder months. I could totally see somebody wearing this for date night. It is unisex, depending on how you feel about those chocolate gourmands. I know some people think that they're like a little too feminine, but totally worth giving it a try and checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.